All right, now based on the market's mood, Aptos USDT, we come back to depression market's mood. And it's usually the great time for accumulation because I highly recommend you, by the way, use this new dashboard. You can adjust in the settings any time frame for each indicator and track the data. It's really useful and save a lot of time, a lot of space on the screen. So based on the weekly time frame, we landed almost still penny test once again, 78 level by FIB, $2.35 for Aptos. So I remind you again, it was a time to sell in April 24. People scream we never drop below $3 or so, but we landed on a Donald Trump dump. We dumped it to $1.75 and bounced a little bit and come back again here in beginning of November. Yesterday, BTC dumped under 100K, so Aptos dump it to on OKEX at least $2.38, almost test 78 level by FIB. So this zone, all this zone, $2.35, $1.88, it's a good time for accumulation with the targets. Targets for fixation, it's 846, 903. So this is it, and maybe the new all-time high. Technically, it's possible to reach the new all-time high, and I believe Aptos can be one of not so many tokens reach the new all-time high. So time will show us, of course, and now we will focus on the local zones on a daily time frame and intraday trades where to buy Aptos or open futures trade. So today is November 5, full moon, by the way. The people sometimes laughing about this astrological trades, but believe it or not, it works. It works all the time. So this was a sell signal, fun, but a few days before the dump. It's a daily time frame, Aptos on OKEX. By the way, I recently got this one, buy line. You remember, if you watch it, the videos about Aptos and track it. In June, I add on that video alert for a buy line. A buy line 12 time frame at June 22. And only imagine, only in November, this notification finally triggered. So this was a sell. Buy line, I mean on this indicator, take profit. Here was sell, drop, and on the buy line here we test the buy line. It was the test of the buy line, we bounced it, and here is a test of the buy line, we bounced. Maybe it's not triggered because just a few cents, a few penny. So this is a test the buy line. It's good time to buy again. The most craziest scenario if we drop it down once again to fundamental value of this stock in $1.95. This one, it's also possible, right? Also, I remind you we usually come back and close the 50% of the week here. So we stop it at, let me hide the global FIB here. Oh, here in real time, startup period, the signal to buy. Interesting. Here we stop it at 61 level by FIB of the week. I got a video, even the video, detailed video how to trade a weeks. So highly recommend you go and check, by the way. So let's focus only on these things where to accumulate Aptos. It's okay to buy now with the target here $4.17. If we talk only about this block, so if we talk about only this scalp, guys, if you want to open a long position here, second leverage, for example, 14%, 16% stop loss with second leverage, and the target is here 120. So 16 against 120. Nice one. Oh, take a look in real time. It's blinking, but not confirmed yet on the daily time frame. At least we got a signal to sell here. October 4 dump. Here is a take profit on the daily time frame. It's good. Usually it's good. So soon we will see the signal to buy. I hope today or by end of this week. 12-hour time frame, sell. Here is a buy, bounce, recommendation, close position, now nothing. 4-hour time frame, sell, take profit, buy, bounce, sell. take profit, buy. So I wish to see on a local time frames. Of course, the best case, if we retest it again here, 248, I'm gonna add alert here. This one, just basic alert, with the potential trade like here, 430, so 8% stop loss can be here, like 9% stop loss against the 130% gains. So this can be the good trade. Yes, definitely. So just 8 against the 120. Nice one, 130 even. So this is a good one. Maybe you maybe some position you can hold till the new high or even higher than this liquidity sweep, like 563. So it's going to be 8% against with second leverage against 260. So this is a good risk ratio trade. Let's double check on the take profit indicator here. Buy line on a 4-hour time frame now it's $2.17. 12 time frame we already trade around the buy line, so take profit on Aptos now it's 519. Daily time frame take profit 557, exit line 627. A weekly time frame we so underrated, and I guess we should bounce November, December, it's hard to say about the timing. 963, exit line is 1092. This is it. And of course, guys, is it possible to dump lower and invalidate this idea? Yes, of course, it's possible. Everything is possible in crypto, guys. Never ask this type of question, is it possible or not? So 4-hour time frame, 217. Maybe I gotta add 2 alerts now. Maybe I will track some and maybe open position, ADZ direction. Guys, 4-hour time frame, crazy accumulation. Oh, it's not direction, the report. Crazy accumulation zone, nice one. It's bullish. 12 time frame. Here, take a look. Last time we saw this accumulation on 12 time frame, I don't know, around here. This was a level. It was the August 24. What happened next, you know. Daily, there is no crazy accumulation, but we formed the variancy from this low, like 374 to this low, We formed the variancy, 241. So daily divergency, nice. Weekly time frame, also not a crazy accumulation, but past the middle line. So this is not a time to sell. Time to sell will be when we hit this top again, like it was in December 24. Take a look the direction market smooth, guys. Total capitulation, of course. Day on a weekly, it's bullish one. Daily capitulation. So of course, definitely it's not like the area on the market. Direction fun, but no signals for accumulation yet. All right, 12 time frame maybe. No. Here, by the way, kind of strange, but it was so obvious to out. Few days before that dump. I didn't track the Aptos that time, but noted for the future. 12 time frame, some money inflow finally. 2 days in a row, 2 12-hour time frames in a row. Money inflow. I would like to see the money inflow on here on the daily. Money inflow on the daily. Weekly also at the bottom, so it's not a like time to sell. Time to sell will be again when we hit the top and the money outflow. So you can add alerts also and wait. And the last and 2 indicators I already showed you. So guys, like conclusion, just a quick updates. You saw it. So this is a 2 notification. What I'm waiting for Aptos. Now I'm no rush. Targets also I showed you. I'm waiting the reversal move, and I hope the BTC dominance will drop down because we already tested 61%, even more. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in the comment what you think about Aptos. If you'd like to trade as my customer, because I will show it on this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.